What if I told you that you can learn Power BI over this weekend? Yes, over this Sunday, you can complete Power BI. By the end of the day, you would be able to make interactive dashboards, take actionable insights out of that data, and make decisions for businesses. Now, you would have seen a lot of advertisements about Power BI and talking about the online programs. But this program is going to be physical offline in Hyderabad. So, if you are someone who is on a regular basis working on Excel and working with regular data to take out some actionable insights and make decisions out of it, then Power BI is your go to qualification. If you are someone who has completed the CMA or currently doing the CMA or the ACCA qualification and want to learn data visualization and business analytics to get started with, then Power BI is one powerful tool. You will be able to get started with it within a day, and then it depends only on your practice. How soon, how much you practice, you would be an expert in it. So, this session is offline and in Hyderabad. And if you are in Hyderabad over this weekend, don't miss out on this opportunity. The further details with the location is given in the description below. And if you want to know more about it, you can reach out to us. The number is given below. You are watching this video because you had interest in Power BI. And this is your chance to complete and get started with it. If you want to upskill in your career, this is one thing which will get added on to you. You can add it on your profile, and it is one of the demanding skill where you can take business data or raw data and turn it into interactive dashboards through which you can make decisions regularly. So this is your chance. Sign up for this workshop. This is offline. You will be able to meet me. I'll be able to meet you. I'll be able to understand your journey and guide you properly over Power BI and further career ahead. The seats are limited. Register soon. The details are given below.